Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 19th of March 2018. So the pound on Friday was fairly quiet in the pre-market session, sort of between two psychological levels, and then eventually we see the market break out and move higher, some selling, then some buying, and then the selling overcame the buying, and then eventually it disappeared. And we see the market move higher, and we had the buy signal, the right tool that would be useful, and the market moved to the upside, came within a smidge there of the scalp target, and then the market moved back to the downside, and we got this classic 76% retracement here. So from here down to here, and you can see the market stops bang on the 76%. That would alert you to the fact that this market is running it out of momentum, and then it's straight down to the support. We then see the market put in another buy signal before the market moves back to the upside there. And in the daily chart, we've got a bit of a sort of a lower highs here. The market's starting to do this once more. If it's going to move higher, it's above the 20-bar average at the moment. It needs to break to the upside, but it's still set on this 76% area. It's failed to close above this so far, and again, if we go inside of this by getting the 76% retracement, if we work our way back through these higher lows here, starting off with this one, because prices to the right aren't lower than this. And if I'm just going to click twice on the bottom here, you'll see the market stopping at the 76% there as well. And this is, as I've said in the market alert before, this is a rolling fib type of tool that I've developed, and it's very useful in actually seeing where the market's going to stop incrementally before it gets to the bigger price swings. And I'd say I will do a video on this. It is incredibly powerful. News, G20 meeting today. That's all we've got. That's going to be surrounded by, no doubt, sanctions for Russia or something else. They'll stay away from interest rates in the global economy if they can, as it starts to slow, no doubt. And then in the Dow, choppy session for Friday. We started off with some selling, pogo stick. We saw the buying coming in there, huge amount of buying. This was confirmed as the market moved higher, but that's probably the shorts being taken out, and then the market managing to move higher before again failing to move any higher as well. I'm just going to narrow this a bit, and again, using that rolling fib technique, we can see from here to here. Let me just remove the extend right. So from this low to this high, you will see the market comes down, finds support at the 20-bar average, and then comes back above the 76 before moving higher, puts in another high, and then the market trades sideways. So you've got this ebbing and flowing, and then from here down to here, again you'll see the market going through the 76% retracement, then failing to make any progress, and then as soon as it starts to come back, you'll see here it struggles, and then we've got this situation, and then eventually we get a bit of a rally before the close. But a very choppy day for Friday, and quite a quiet day given the volatility we've had of late. Things really starting to calm down there, and again you can see this in the daily chart. You've got a bit of a sort of a triangle pattern there developing at the moment. Break to the upside would be the way out of this one. In the implied volatility, this down slightly for Friday. We've got 1369 down from 1499 there. So again, this coming back as well, indicating a bullish sort of sideways move at the moment, sideways to higher. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin land, yesterday the market's trading down to the 76%, coming within a few points of this area. We've had this drawn in for a long time, as you've seen in the market alerts. This was the area where the market should find support, and sure enough it did. It came back over 1,000 points overnight. The market moving with some buying there. A lot of volume in this bar as well, but there's not much on the buying side at the moment. Maybe we've just got a bit of a profit taking area here before the market then resumes and continues lower. And that's about it. So G20 meetings on today. I don't really think the market's going to wait to see what they've got to say, but just keep that one in mind. Could be fairly quiet if the market's waiting for news from this. Right, that'll do it for this one, and if there's anything to report I will let you know. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.